Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Do you like to play games on smartphone? If yes, then you should have a new gamepad from MUJA. This is the first touch-sensitive gamepad which sticks on the back of smartphone. It allows you to use not only 2 thumbs to play mobile games, but at least 6 fingers. Right now the gamepad is available on Indiegogo with 50% off discount. The price is only $49. We already have ordered it, so in coming weeks we will publish unboxing and full review of this gamepad. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers not to miss new videos. The gadget doesn't look like a regular gamepad. It has suction cups on one side and touch control panel on the other. The suction cups provide space between the mobile device and the pad, so the smartphone will not overheat during games. MUJA GamePad is compatible with Android and iOS devices, but the screen diagonal should be 4.7 inches and more. I think it is not a problem for 2019, because most phones have at least 5.5 inches. In fact, gamepad has 4 customized buttons on the sensitive panel, and user can set different functions to them through a special MUJA app. For example, you can set shooting, sighting, fast running and other functions to gamepad in PUBG Mobile. Now you can use 2 index fingers on the screen to look around and other fingers on gamepad to shoot. It seems very convenient. The manufacturer says that MUJA GamePad supports over 100 games, including PUBG Mobile, Fortnite, FIFA, NBA, etc. As you understand, gamepad is using Bluetooth 4.2 to connect with smartphone. There is 450 mAh battery inside, and it provides 36 hours of playtime or 56 hours of standby time. MUJA GamePad looks like the best game accessory I've ever seen. However, we should test it before conclusion. Is it really as comfortable as it looks? Soon we will get it for full review and find out. Right now you can buy MUJA GamePad on Indiegogo platform. The first 200 buyers will get it for only $49, and then the price will rise. I will leave the link in description. Thanks for watching, see you next time.